फेरि पानी पर्दैछ. It's raining again. It's raining again. फेरि पानी पर्दैछ. It's raining again. ल फेरि चाँडै भेटौँ. Let's meet again soon. Let's meet again soon. ल फेरि चाँडै भेटौँ. म तपाईलाई फेरि भेट्न चाहन्छु. I want to meet you again. I want to meet you again. म तपाईलाई फेरि भेट्न चाहन्छु. I want to meet you again. उसले फेरि बिहे गर्यो. He got married again. He got married again. उसले फेरि बिहे गर्यो. He got married again. फेरि एकपटक जाँच गर्नुस्. Check once more time. Check once more time. फेरि एकपटक जाँच गर्नुस्. Check once more time. फेरि जाँच गर्नुस्. Check again. Check again. फेरि जाँच गर्नुस्. Check again. म फेरि तपाईलाई सहयोग गर्नेछु. I will help you again. I will help you again. म तपाईलाई फेरि सहयोग गर्नेछु. I will help you again. मलाई एकपटक भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ कि? Could you please tell me once again? Could you please tell me once again? मलाई एकपटक भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ कि? Could you please tell me once again? उसले फेरि आफ्नो जागिर गुमायो. He lost his job again. He lost his job again. उसले फेरि आफ्नो जागिर गुमायो. He lost his job again. तपाईले फेरि त्यो हेर्न आवश्यक छ. You need to see it again. You need to see it again. तपाईले त्यो फेरि हेर्न आवश्यक छ. You need to see it again. मलाई तपाईको नाम फेरि भन्नुस्. Tell me your name once more time. Tell me your name once more time. मलाई तपाईको नाम फेरि एकपटक भन्नुस्. के हजुर तयार हुनुहुन्छ? Are you ready? Are you ready? के हजुर तयार हुनुहुन्छ? Are you ready? हजुर म तयार छु. Yes, I am ready. Yes, I am ready. हजुर अथवा हो म तयार छु. Yes, I am ready. हजुरसँग कति पैसा छ? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? हजुरसँग कति पैसा छ? How much money do you have? मसँग 500 रुपैयाँ मात्र छ. I have only 500 rupees. I have only 500 rupees. मसँग मात्र 500 रुपैयाँ छ. I have only 500 rupees. हजुर कोसँग कुरा गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ? Who do you want to talk to? Who do you want to talk to? हजुर कोसँग कुरा गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ? Who do you want to talk to? म तपाईसँग कुरा गर्न चाहन्छु. I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you. म तपाईसँग कुरा गर्न चाहन्छु. I want to talk to you. तपाई मलाई के भन्न चाहनुहुन्छ? What do you want to say to me? What do you want to say to me? तपाई मलाई के भन्न चाहनुहुन्छ? What do you want to say to me? म तपाईलाई केही कुरा भन्न चाहन्छु. I want to tell you something. I want to tell you something. म तपाईलाई केही कुरा भन्न चाहन्छु. I want to tell you something. उहाँ कहिले आउनुहुन्छ? When will she come? When will she come? उहाँ कहिले आउनुहुन्छ? When will she come? के हजुरलाई भोक लागेको छ? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? के हजुरलाई भोक लागेको छ? Are you hungry? हो मलाई भोक लागेको छ. Yes, I am hungry. Yes, I am hungry. हो मलाई भोक लागेको छ. Yes, I am hungry. के हजुर बिहे गर्नु भएको छ? Are you married? Are you married? के हजुर बिहे गर्नु भएको छ? Are you married? हो मैले बिहे गरेको छु. Yes, I am married. Yes, I am married. हो मैले बिहे गरेको छु. Yes, I am married. के तपाईँ बिरामी हुनुहुन्छ? Are you sick? Are you sick? के तपाईँ बिरामी हुनुहुन्छ? Are you sick? होइन म बिरामी छैन. No, I'm not sick. No, I'm not sick. होइन म बिरामी छैन. No, I'm not sick. के तपाईँ पक्का हुनुहुन्छ? Are you sure? Are you sure? के तपाईं पक्का हुनुहुन्छ? Are you sure? हो म निश्चित छु अथवा हो म पक्का छु. Yes, I am sure. Yes, I am sure. हो म निश्चित छु. Yes, I am sure. तपाईको छोराछोरी कति छन्? How many children do you have? How many children do you have? तपाईको छोराछोरी कति छन्? How many children do you have? मेरा दुई बच्चाहरू छन्. I have two children. I have two children. मेरा दुई बच्चा छन्. I have two children. तपाईं कति पैसा कमाउनुहुन्छ? How much money do you earn? How much money do you earn? तपाईले कति पैसा कमाउनुहुन्छ? How much money do you earn? निराश नहुनुस्. Don't be upset. Don't be upset. निराश नहुनुस्. Don't be upset. म बुझ्न सक्छु. I can understand. I can understand. म बुझ्न सक्छु. I can understand. मेरो साथ दिनुस्. Stand by me. Stand by me. मेरो साथ दिनुस्. Stand by me. मलाई गलत नसम्झनुस्. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. मलाई गलत नसम्झनुहोस्. Don't get me wrong. मेरो साथमा रहनुस्. Be with me. Be with me. मेरो साथ रहनुस्. Be with me. भेटिरहनुस्. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. भेटिरहनुस् अथवा भेट गरिरहनुस्. Keep in touch. हामी धेरै व्यस्त छौँ. We are very busy. We are very busy. हामी धेरै व्यस्त छौँ. We are very busy. यो तपाईको निर्णय हो. This is your decision. This is your decision. यो तपाईको निर्णय हो. This is your decision. तपाईलाई कसले भन्यो? Who told you? Who told you? तपाईलाई कसले भन्यो? Who told you? म तिमीलाई सहयोग गर्नेछु. I will help you. I will help you. म तिमीलाई सहयोग गर्नेछु. I will help you. तपाई व्यस्त देखिनुहुन्छ. You look busy. You look busy. तपाई व्यस्त देखिनुहुन्छ. You look busy. म अफिस गएन. I didn't go to office. I didn't go to office. म अफिस गएन. I didn't go to office. म बिरामी थिएँ. I was sick. I was sick. म बिरामी थिएँ. I was sick. हजुरको घर कहाँ हो? Where is your house? Where is your house? हजुरको घर कहाँ हो? Where is your house? उहाँको नाम के हो? What is his name? What is his name? उहाँको नाम के हो? What is his name? उहाँको नाम सम्झना हो. Her name is सम्झना. Her name is सम्झना. उहाँको नाम सम्झना हो. तपाई कहाँबाट हो? Where do you come from? Where do you come from? तपाई कहाँबाट हो? Where do you come from? तपाईलाई स्वागत छ. You are welcome. You are welcome. तपाईलाई स्वागत छ. You are welcome. मलाई हेर्न दिनुस्. Let me see. Let me see. मलाई हेर्न दिनुस्. Let me see. अगाडि बढ्नुस्. Go ahead. Go ahead. अगाडि बढ्नुहोस्. Go ahead.